Hello guys, welcome to One Step Ahead. In this video, we will discuss about introduction to C programming. So we will start with its overview and structure. Starting with the characteristics of C programming, it is a middle level language. Middle level language means it is a language between the high level language and the machine level language. High level language that we enters into our computers, and the machine level language that is the binary language that computers understand. C is a structured programming language, uh, which means that the language is structured, means it is there is a structured format. It has small size. For example, it has only 32 keywords. It is an extensible language, means we can add our own functions into it, as many functions we want. It is a core language, means it's a basic language for understanding any other further languages. Applications. Applications of C languages could be seen in OS, CAD CAM application, graphics packages, in WordPress processor. C language is used in these and many more. Now, understanding the C language, as in our English language, we have alphabets. We combine alphabets to form words and then to form sentences, to form paragraph. In C languages, we have digits. We combine digits to form variables. Variables are combined to form instructions, and instructions completes a program. Now coming to the structure of the C program, the C language is divided into 5 main sections, that is documentation section, link section, definition section, global declaration section, main function section. Documentation section. In documentation section we have comment lines. These are written by this, or we can say by black hashes between the black slashes. Link section. Link section give instruction to link function from the system. Definition section. It defines all the symbolic constants that are used in the program. Global declaration section. Variables are declared. In global declared section, many variables are declared globally, which means the value of those variables are same throughout the program. Main function section. Main function could be return type, without return type, means int main, void main, that we will discuss further. Now the overview of the compilation and the execution. Before proceeding to C programs, we will first understand how the program is compiled and executed. We save our program in source file, that is .c extension. Then through the help of compiler, it changes the program to the object files. It changes that file to the object file, that is .obj file or .o file. Now .obj or object files with the help of linker. Linker uses the library files. Library files are the files that are stored stored previously within our computers. Linkers then change the file to the executable file, that is .exe files. So coming to next, we will have files. There are basically 4 types of files: source file, .c file we have discussed, object files, .o files, executable files, .exe files, and header files. So source file is the denoted by .c. It defines main function and other functions. Object files .o generated by the compiler as a result of processing the source file. We can use .ofg, for example, in MS-DOS. Executable files .exe files. Linker use .ofg file to produce binary file that can be executed. Now header files. Header files can be studio.h, conio.h, string.h, math.h. Studio.h refers for standardized input and output functions. Conio.h for clearing the screen. String.h is for strings entered in the program. Math.h for the maths program that are predefined. We have escape sequences. These we use in our program while writing, which help us like for example /A used for audible signal, /B for backspace, /T for tab means we want a difference of tab between our two lines, /N new line, the program, the output will we will see in further tutorials about that. Double these two are for the /. Now discussing about the next topic, that is C tokens. C tokens are divided into keywords, identifiers, constants, strings and operators. Constants are further divided into numeric or character. Numeric can be integer or real, and character can be single character or string. So this is all for this video. We will continue our C programming from the next videos. We will see in detail about these C tokens. Thank you for your views and opinions. You can add comment